Hey guys, today on the channel we are going to be replacing the window in this door. Once again, something I've never done before. If you've been watching my channel, you might have seen me say, or heard me say rather, don't be intimidated by the task. Well, I have never done this before. I'm gonna do it. We got the frame for the window, and we've got the glass for the window. We've been accumulating a lot of recycling as this project goes on. So these are the screws that they sent us in a separate package because they neglected to send them the first time, which is fine. Things happen. So here's our instructions. Okay, so I don't think it's tempered glass because it says, make sure to exercise caution when handling the glass. Apparently they don't use tempered glass in RV windows. We've got 4 steps to replacing this window. Step 1, place the outside window frame, and then there's instructions for that. Step 2, place the window glass, and then there's instructions for that. Step 3, place the shade inside of the window, the inner window frame, and then there's instructions for that. And step 4 is line up the inner frame and shade with the outer frame and glass and screw into place. 4 steps sounds simple, never turns out to be that simple. So according to the instructions, the only tools and materials required are a Phillips screwdriver. Okay? But we have other things we have to do on this because there is this goopy glue stuff on the edge, so most of it's pulling off, but I have this to take care of the rest of it. If anybody's wondering, this is today's temperature. At the moment it's 104 at about 35% humidity. Time consuming. I like to wipe it down with some alcohol, rubbing alcohol. I think that helps. So this is line up the smaller of the 2 window frames. This is the smaller. The other one is like that thick. So I think when you put the inside ring in and the screws go through here and into this, it'll pull this in. It'll seat just fine because it's made for this size door. If you look right here, you can see there's a groove right there. There isn't one down here. So my assumption is that this goes in there. Okay, so this is how this operates. You got these 2 strings, lines in the down position. This goes up. One thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that the adjustment on these is correct. So you want to make sure this goes down all the way, which it does, and it's been, you know, folded up for a long time, so I think, you know, you have to pull on it right now to get it down there, but I think actually it'll slowly stretch out to there. These are the little knots, and then This is a little catch. When it gets to there, it won't go any farther. To me, it seems like these are supposed to go in these holes, but they're not in there, so I'm not going to put them in there. This is the inside opening, which is what's going to be inside the door. Okay, here's what we're doing. You're going to hand me the glass. Then you're going to hold the frame in place on that side. That frame right there on that side.
Through the door or around the door?
This is going to go into the rectangle in that frame. So you got to hold that up.
Doesn't matter which way.
No, I don't. There. So it has a good seal. Seems like it's holding the window in now, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Is the rest of it in the frame? Looks like it is.
I mean, every place where I can see, it looks like it is lined up.
Okay. So I would definitely suggest doing the bottom ones first, so that the glass is in there. And then you don't have to hold it so strenuously and worry about the glass breaking.
You could have pressed the glass into place, or it was one of those little things snapped in. It's just have to finger to snap together.
Working my way up,
Yeah.
because I think like, working your way up is a way to keep it in sealing up. Keep the sealing up. Okay. Next I'm doing this one. Next.
So 4 left. Put in.
Yes. So we'll get this door will be done. And then we can start on the other opening, which I am pretty sure I've got figured out how we're gonna do it. Okay, I gotta get this blind around. Yeah. Anything good. Let's take a look. See how easy it is? That's what it looks like. New window in the door. Not bad for a total of $200 for this door. With a new lock, new window. Also, something that I completed since the last time is I took out the screws and now this is riveted in, so it's not so easy to just take right off the wall. Hey guys, I want to take a minute to shout out another channel. This is somebody who's been very helpful to my channel behind the scenes, as well as in the YouTube community, helping me to get connected with people, but also help with my banner, with other video questions. He's been really great, and that's Marshall. And Marshall's channel is Mellow Nomadic Adventures, and I'm gonna put it right here, Mellow Nomadic Adventures, or something like that. Anyway, I just want to let you guys know you should check out his channel. He does a lot of awesome live streams. He's got a minivan that he is turning into a mini home on wheels, and he's going to be going nomad eventually, and he's going to be living out of that little minivan. So that should be interesting. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more of this, leave a comment, let me know if you want to see more of this. That'd be great too. This has been Greg with Fit for Expedition. See you next time.